Everybody knows that an apple a day keeps the doctor away, but there's a common misconception that things that are good for your health either taste bad or bland. However, apples prove that contrary to that popular belief, healthy food can be tasty too. You'll never get tired of apples because you can eat them and serve them in different ways. Fresh apple, apple pies, apple juice, and a lot more. In this video, you'll learn more about the health benefits of getting your daily glass of homemade apple juice. Your body will enjoy its nutrients as much as your taste buds will enjoy its flavor. Some of its major health benefits are helping your body heal faster, maintaining a healthy heart condition, strengthening your muscles, and improving your metabolism. Apple juice is also a powerful antioxidant and an efficient anti-inflammatory because of its natural ingredients that ensure your body's victory in its battle with aging. The different parts of the apple are loaded with health benefits, such as its peel, which is a great source of polyphenols. Polyphenols are your body's powerful weapon against different heart ailments and other diseases, including cancer and asthma. It stops the seizures that usually come with asthma attacks. Apples greatly improve your heart and your lungs health. Apple juice also improves your general wellness, as it's a great buddy for losing weight. It's an efficient stress buster. It strengthens your immune system, so you have lower risk of colds and flu. And it also treats different health conditions, including colitis. Now it's time to learn how to make the tasty and healthy all-natural apple juice. Ingredients: at least 4 medium-sized organic red apples, since the red one's peels are rich in flavonoids. Instructions: first, make sure that the apples are clean. Wash them with water, preferably warm water. Then, chop the apples. Leave the peel in order to fully enjoy the apple's health benefits. Also, leave the core in order to fully enjoy the apple's flavor. Put the apples in a pan and cover them. Then pour water until the apples are fully covered. Set the heat on medium-low and heat the chopped apples until they're soft. Then mash them with a wooden spoon. When fully cooked, pour them into a strainer and extract all the liquid. And you have your naturally healthy and tasty apple juice. Allow it to cool before storing it in a tightly sealed bottle or any available container. You can even freeze it for up to half a year, so long as you use a hermetically sealed bottle or container. Keep in mind that you should never add any kind of sweetener to your apple juice. You can also keep the leftover peel, which you can use for another dessert, apple jelly. Now, just wait for it to cool. After it is cooled off, store it in a sealed container. If you want to, you can freeze this juice for 3 to 6 months in a hermetically sealed container. Before you enjoy your apple juice, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with people you care about. For other healthy and tasty recipes and tips, just click subscribe.